Today we are discussing regarding the Pareto chart. A Pareto chart is a graphical tool used to identify and prioritize the most important cases in a data set so that attention can be focused on what matters most. It is based on the Pareto Principle, which states that a small number of cases often contribute a large portion of the problems. Uh, this mentions also 20% the cases contribute the 80% of the problems. The Pareto analysis is a decision-making techniques that helps in identify these critical factors. By focusing the vital few cases rather than the trivial many, organizations can achieve significant improvements with a limited data. For example, in a customer service, most complaints may arise from only a few key issues. Addressing them can greatly improve the customer satisfaction. This is an example for Pareto chart. It is like a bar chart, the frequencies here, and then some categories. The complaints means. This also have a line. It is a cumulative frequency line. Then some persons call the Pareto chart like a combination of bar chart and line charts. This also that's a line. It is the cumulative percentage. In a Pareto chart, there is a two y-axis. Is secondary y-axis mentions the cumulative percentages. Okay. Let's we consider the what are the steps in constructing the Pareto chart. The firstly, identify the problem, then list all categories or complaints or versus. Then the third one is the collected data like frequency or impact. Then fourth one, arrange the data in a descending order, descending mean, highest to lowest. The fifth one is the calculate the cumulative frequencies and cumulative percentages, and then draw a bar chart and add the cumulative percentage line. Okay, let's we can consider these examples. A mid-size hotel has noticed a decline in customer satisfaction rating over past few months. To identify main reasons, the management collect data on customer complaints received during 1 month. The complaints are summarized below. The complaints are given: noise issues, slow services, room cleaners, food quality, staff attitude, billing errors, Wi-Fi problems, and air condition issues. They mentions the frequencies. Noise issues mentions 28%, slow services 76%, room cleaners 54%, food quality also 10%, staff attitudes then 16, billing errors and Wi-Fi problems and 6% mentions, and air condition issues finally 4%. Then the first step we have to arrange this data, the descending order, the most serious complaints is high frequency, slow service, slow service. It is the frequency is 76. Then highest is room cleanness. That it is the room cleanness. The frequency is 54. The third one is noisy source. This is 28. Then the staff attitude, it is stiff. Also food quality, impressions, billing errors, expressions, Wi-Fi problems also, six complaints, air condition issues. Four is the steps arranged in the data in descending order. And then we have to calculate cumulative frequencies and cumulative percentage. Uh, I add the two columns, which is mentioned the cumulative frequency and cumulative percentage. The first cumulative value is 76. Then second one 76 plus 54, it is 130, 130 plus 28, 158, 158 plus 16, 174, 24 plus 10, 84, 84 plus 6, 90, 190 plus 6, 196. Finally, the cumulative frequency is 200. Then we can calculate the cumulative percentages, the cumulative frequency by dividing the total frequency. The total frequency is 200. 76 divided by 200, and then we have to calculate the percentage, then multiply the 100. Then it is equal to 76 divided by 2 is 38. Then 130 divided by 2, like 65, 158 divided by 2, or 39 is 174 divided by 2, 87. 184 divided by 2, 92%. Then it is 95%. The 96 divided by 200, 98. The final value is 100. This is the cumulative percentages. Then we have to draw a bar chart, mention by mentioning the complaints and frequencies. In this, I use the graph sheet. Then we have to, you want to consider the data, complaints and frequencies. Firstly, create the y-axis, x-axis, and y-axis 0, 20, like also we. So, then the frequencies is y-axis, means, and then x-axis is a complaint. The most common complaint is the slow service. It is the frequency is 76, 76, 70, 76. This there. Okay. It is a slow service. And then with the bar, the room clearness 54, 54. Then also cleanness, noise issues 28%, issues, the staff attitude mentions as 16%, 16%, staff attitude. The food quality mentions the 10%, billing errors 6%, also the Wi-Fi problem also 6%, finally air condition issues 4%. This is the bar chart mentioning the uh, complaints and the frequency. Then we have to add the cumulative line. I create the secondary y-axis line mentioning the cumulative percentages 0%, 20, 40, 60. It's a cumulative percentage. The first cumulative frequency cumulative percentage is 38. The second one is the 65, 65. Right? Then third one is 79, 9. This 87, 7. Then 92, the 95, and the 98, and then 100. Then we can connect these points as line. This is the cumulative percentage curve. That is a Pareto chart. Okay. In the Pareto chart, can be identified the almost 39% of the problems arise due to the three complaints, three issues. We prioritize these three issues. Hotel can improve the customers' satisfactions. Then we can add the conclusions. The Pareto chart shows the small number of issues that the three issues are responsible for the majority of the customer complaints. 79% customer complaint. Then hotels should prioritize the improve in service speed because it mentions the slow service. Then the room cleaners and noise control. As addressing these will significantly increase customer satisfaction. That is the Pareto analysis. If you satisfied with my video, please like, comment, and then also you can share with your friends. Also, you can subscribe my channel. Then have a nice day.